town. Thought that's all I needed to drown out. It was gonna be easy. It was supposed to be easy. Put some days, put some miles in the beauty. If you stay the line between me and you, just a little space of time, and I'll be fine. I've been from Savannah to Long Beach, trying to keep your memory out of reach. There you were in the Delta nights, the Santa Fe sun, the Colorado sky. I could add another pushpin to the map that would stop me from missing you and looking back. Guess it's just one place I haven't gone. I've moved everywhere but home. My mail's still going to my mama's house, 'cause I'm still long gone trying to figure out who I am without you. Why I still think about you. Just about my time they get in me. Loading trucks, pouring coffee, pouring concrete, planting my next move, getting on you. Yeah, I've been from Savannah to Long Beach, trying to keep your memory out of reach. There you were in the Delta nights, the Santa Fe sun, the Colorado sky. I could add another pushpin to the map that would stop me from missing you and looking back. Guess it's just one place I haven't gone. I moved everywhere but home. That highway, this old highway, fixed me up somehow. Wouldn't let me home by now. I've been from Savannah to Long Beach, trying to keep your memory out of reach. There you were in the Delta nights, the Santa Fe sun, the Colorado sky. I could add another pushpin to the map that would stop me from missing you and looking back. Guess it's just one place I haven't gone. I've moved everywhere but home. I've moved everywhere but home. I was gonna say, hey, y'all sing that chorus with me, but I can hear you singing it over that right there, so I appreciate the hell out of it.
So, where'd you move to?
Well, hither and yon.
Lovely. So, y'all don't know my music. I usually am the person that just brings it down to the sad moment, so that from here it can only go up from here. So I'm here to bring your mood down. It's fine. I've embraced it. I've accepted it. But I wrote this song because I was analyzing, as one does. I'm a scientist, clearly. How relationships and marriages work, because I grew up watching Disney movies, which I love. I can quote Snow White to The Emperor's New Groove, come at me. I know every line. If you want to have a Disney quote off later, just hit me up. But I did realize that a lot of the times, you know, like, oh, you fall asleep and somebody kisses you and then you're married. And it's like, oh, that's terrifying. But that's true love, and Sleeping Beauty found her love, and that's amazing for us. But I think that love, when it's real, it's like a choice you make every day, is what I've concluded from my scientific experiment. And I think especially after this past year, I think it's brought a lot up in people's relationships, just people that I've known and just myself. And this song means a lot. It hits different now because I wrote it before the pandemic, but I wrote this song basically to remind ourselves that like love is a choice and it's hard and it's not a fairy tale, but it's real and it's a beautiful thing. And if you need to cry, I'm with you. I will probably cry too. Here we go.